Everybody wants to do auto captions on their video, but not everybody is tech savvy or use things like Adobe Premiere Pro or other paid software. So here is a way you can auto caption your videos, even if you're not tech savvy. Let me show you. If you want a video with captions just like this, it's not as hard as you think. Yes, free. So let me show you. So go to the CapCut app. Add a new project, upload the video that you want, and once you add it, it's super simple. Go down to the text, add auto captions, and when you press continue, it will automatically upload the captions. With captions just like this, if you want a video right there, we're gonna go and split it. Okay, so right here it's gonna be if you want a video. If you want a video, I like to use block style fonts. Here's where you can add emojis and all of the fun things. The trick is split the text right here and manually correct it as needed. There you go. Make sure to save this video for the future. That is a little more manual. Let me show you Descript. I personally like to use Descript because it's on my desktop or laptop and edit very easily. Let me show you. If you want a video with captions just like this, it's not as hard as you think. So let me show you. I use Script for this. So you're gonna go to New, Project, name your project. You're gonna create that, and it's so simple. All you're gonna do is drag your video into here and it automatically starts doing it for you. The beauty of this is that you can come up here and either make it portrait or landscape or square, depending on what it is that you want. I'm obviously gonna do it 9:16 and I want it a little bit higher resolution. As it transcribes, all you're gonna do is on the plus sign, you're gonna go to fancy captions. You extend it and it does it automatically for you. So it does it automatically. You can add a background. I can upload 10 hours of video for $15. Worth it. If you like videos just like this, make sure to let me know in the comments which one you're gonna use. Are you gonna use Descript or CapCut?